turned up here today for a forklift refresher course, really, because obviously my license had run out. So, I've just come to take a refresher course here. When I phoned 4KS, straight away, it was very helpful. They, asked me a few questions and I gave them the answers, and then, well, I'm here today. I've come in pretty bright, everything's laid out really nice. It's nice and clean and everything, you've got enough room to work with. I mean, it's just nice and compact that you can do your course and so on in here, so I find it pretty good, really. It's nice. Instructors, well, I said it was good. I mean, they explain what they want you to do, clearly, positively, and well, confidently, I suppose. They know what they're doing, so they just say what they want you to do, and you just follow out the procedures. Can't grumble about that. So, but yeah, it's been good. The instructor's been great.